Good morning, Spartans. Today's lesson is for 1.2, day 2, which is Gemma. The essential question is, how do exponents affect the order of operations? We have an entry task today, and it is to evaluate this expression. Right. As always, please make sure that you have already taken the notes for this lesson so that you can just follow along in the video. If you haven't already taken the notes, push pause and go copy all the notes down and then come back. All right, so let's get going. We want to evaluate this expression. I've highlighted my Gemma stuff. Let's see, did I write it down? I wrote it down right here. Gemma. So I don't see any groups and I don't see any exponents. But I do see some multiplication and division. So I see division and multiplication. In this case, you want to go left to right. So this division symbol comes before this multiplication symbol. So you find the division symbol and you do the two numbers that are next to it. So 125 divided by 5, which is 25. Right? And then I rewrote my expression again, 12 plus 25 times 2 minus 3, because 125 divided by 5 are now gone. That is 25. We still have a multiplication, and multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So we're going to do 25 times 2, which is 50. Now I have 12 plus 50 minus 3. We go from left to right. 12 plus 50 is 62. And now I have 62 minus 3, which equals 59. So our answer is 59 for our entry task. Okay. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of recall of prior knowledge. That is what I call RPK. If you see me write RPK anywhere, that means we're just going to remember something that we have already talked about, something we've already learned. And we learned about exponents the other day. And as a reminder, 2 to the power of 3 actually means 2 times 2 times 2. Let's make that less blurry. So, and if we evaluate that, 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. The number one mistake that kids make is they will do 2 times 3 is 6. Nah, it is 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 times 2, which is 8. Make sure to keep that in mind, okay? Today's really short. Let's just get going. We're going to evaluate expressions with exponents, and here is our first example. Okay. If we look at our Gemma, let's see, I'll scoot it up. Gemma, I see a group. So we have to do everything inside this first. Within our group, I have 15 minus 2 to the power of 3. So that means I need to do my 2 to the power of 3. We already found out in our example that 2 to the power of 3 is in fact 8. So let me rewrite that expression as 42 divided by 15 minus 8. All I did was rewrite 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Okay. My group is not done. I have to finish my group. 15 minus 8 is 7. And now 42 divided by 7 equals 6. So our answer is 6. Okay. Example 2. Let's do another example. 3 to the power of 2, sometimes called 3 squared, plus 12 divided by 6 minus 3 times 8. All right, we got to do our groups first. Let me just zoom in a little bit. A little less blurry. There we go. So 6 minus 3 is a group. We got to do that first. 6 minus 3 is 3. And that's all I've done. I just rewrote everything else. Okay, groups done. E, exponents. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which is 9. And so I rewrote it as 9. And I have everything else. 9 plus 12 divided by 3 times 8. All right, exponents, done. Next we have multiply and divide. So I see both of them. We have a division here, and then this is a multiplication, 3 times 8. Division comes first because we're going from left to right. So we have to do 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Now I have 9 plus 4 times 8. Multiply comes before addition. 4 times 8 is 32. 9 plus 32 equals 41. So our answer is 41. Okay. Alright, now I want you to try it. Do this, try it, and then we're done with our notes. So push pause, try it, and then we're going to do it. Alright, I don't see any groups, no groups. I do see an exponent. 3 squared is 9. So I'll put a 9, and then I'm going to rewrite just the rest of my expression. Alright. Multiply, add, subtract. Multiply comes first. 4 times 9 is 32. Nope. 36. That's why we use pencils. 36 plus 18 minus 9. 36 plus 18. Let me use my handy dandy calculator. 36 plus 18 equals 54. 54 minus 9 equals 45. And that's it. That's all I have for notes today. Let's see what our assignment is. So, let's go here. Right, we took our notes. Assignment, Big Ideas Math 1.2 practice. We've already done the 1.1 practice, and we're going to find the 1.2 practice in the same place. Please save questions 17 through 20 for tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow we're going to do another day of notes for 1.2, our last day of notes for 1.2, and then you will have all the information you need for questions 17 through 20. So save those last 3 questions. As a reminder, to get onto Big Ideas Math, you have to start on Symbaloo, Clever, Big Ideas Math. If it asks you to log in with Clever, log in with Clever. And then scroll down, you'll see it says assignments. The student view will say assignments, and then it'll say 1.2 practice. So you click on the 1.2 practice and then answer those questions to the best of your ability. All of our practice assignments, every single assignment, more like view activity. I wonder if there's a way to do that. Open. I wish there was a preview, like a real preview. But all of your assignments have the ability for you to check your answer and to watch helpful videos. You have unlimited check answers, and you can watch the videos for help, and even some of them have live tutors. So, and every single one should have access to a calculator as well. Okay, so you have a lot of resources. If you have any questions, you can also send me an email. All right. Have a great day. Let me know if you need any help.